You were featured on a billboard and you have done Netflix movie Nadania.
Just randomly got a call from Dharma's office. I went into the room and I see Ibrahim Khushi. That scared the shit out of me. I did the scene with Ibrahim there only.
yeah.
That's where I actually signed the contract in the night in Delhi.
You are auditioning every day in front of public. Subconsciously, you are getting ready.
I remember this incident. I think you
Yes.
cried for 3
did.
hours trying
I
to
did.
convince your parents.
I remember that night very, very fondly. I was leaving for my last year of college. How am I going to properly create content? How am I going to properly live like a college student? I'm like, मम्मी मैं नहीं जा पाऊँ मैं कैसे content? I was like मैं डिग्री खत्म भी कर लूँगा पर मेरे को ये करने दो. As a creator, all of the ideas come from here, and this gets tired after a point. Just being exhausted creatively, mentally is a very, very real thing. There was this phase, where I was stuck at 360k followers or something on Instagram for a year and a half. I'm like, ये क्या हो गया? When it stops, am I irrelevant? All these thoughts keep coming. At that time, Manish bhai, the more I posted, the more I lost followers.
Yeah.
It was at this horrible point.
Yeah,
I'm like, मैं क्या करूँ? But then I was like, just think about Rocky. The hero needs to get knocked down in the middle. तभी तो climax बनेगा. उसके लिए climax बनी कैसे सकता?
Correct.
The only way I can lose is if I stop. If you know the rules of social media, that is what you need to study when you want to be a creator. When India versus Australia happened, when we lost that final game, तो मैं room में गया और मैं knees पे गिर गया क्योंकि I was genuinely very sad.
Yeah.
So in a day, I've just pulled 10 million views because I love cricket, man.
Can you break that strategy for us?
So for example, if I know
Agastya, welcome to Digitech Presents, the Creator Room.
Thank you so much for having me, guys.
So Agastya, I want to start off by asking this. Recently, you have done this movie,
Yes.
Netflix movie Nadania, right? And then now we are seeing a lot of creators now getting into OTT. So that looks like the next natural progression for the creator. How are these roles and who is going to be cast being sort of decided?
So I just randomly got a call one day from Dharma's office from
Acha.
the ADs,
Okay.
one of the ADs, saying that I saw this reel of yours and we are looking for this face. Akash Goenka was the character, that's the name. They were looking for the face. Will you come in an audition? I was like, yeah, sure. Like, how do I have to lose? Sure, it's a Dharma movie, bro. So I went, I auditioned, I gave a screen test. And they were like, ठीक है, we'll get back. And this all happened very quickly. The second half of the week, 4-5 दिन में लॉक हो गया ये.
Yeah.
कि मेरे को मान लो वेंसडे को कॉल आया कि आ जाओ, नहीं ट्यूसडे को आया कि कल आ जाओ. एक दिन में प्रेप किया, वेंसडे आई रीच, आई गिव माय फर्स्ट थिंग, आई गो होम एंड आई हैव गिवन ऑडिशन.
What kind of prep did you do for that?
यार प्रेप क्या करते, स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ोगे तुम 2-3 बार मिरर में. आई लाइक टू से
So you rehearsed.
yeah, I like to rehearse it, and this one little trick.
Try to act it.
Yeah, and I like to wear good. I would not do it in my pajamas. I don't know, and I'll wear shoes also while doing.
Yeah.
Acha, even when you are...
Even when I'm at home, वो energy आती है वो एक body में.
Yeah.
So I did all of that for prep and nothing much, very honestly. I read it a couple of times. Lines याद थे. I was like, जाऊंगा देखूंगा. मेरे लिए तो bro, I got a call. I was like, it's a cool call.
Yeah.
Just that मैं उसमें ही खुश था मैं. So this is one thing I like to do. I come home from an audition and I like to forget about it. I went and did my best. अभी भगवान पे है, उन पे जो हो जाए, नहीं होगा तो नहीं होगा. कल की रील क्या है?
अपना दुकान है.
हाँ, कल की रील क्या है, मैं उसके अंदर घुस जाता हूँ
Yeah.
पहले. But then I got a call the next day
Yeah.
saying that we want to get you for another test tomorrow only. So on Friday. And on Friday I went and I thought it will be another screen test.
Yeah.
But I went into the room. It was a table like this only, and I see Ibrahim, Khushi, and Shauna. Shauna was the director of the movie, just sitting. And I did the scene with Ibrahim there only the second time. And that was a bit intimidating because I was not expecting it.
Huh.
If I expected it, maybe I could have been mentally prepared.
Huh.
But no, it was very, very chill. It was very fun. When I went out and I sat on that couch, and I remember when अंदर से कोई आया and said, give me your number to send to the inline producer.
अच्छा.
I was like, soft yes तो लग रहा है मेरे को, पर मैंने घर पे किसी को नहीं बोला. Until I got it ना, मैंने किसी को नहीं बोला. I was like, वो लोग खुश हो जाएंगे, मेरे को नहीं बोलना. But then another 2 weeks passed. I got the call, and then after 2 weeks straight, we started workshops and
Shooting.
Very interesting.
Did you sign a contract?
I did actually.
Check मिला?
Check नहीं मिला, bank transfer.
पैसा मिला.
Yeah, I got paid for obviously. But I did actually sign a full वो attested notary से सब कुछ आके. I was just visiting the set in Delhi. I was there for another shoot, and I was like, shoot कर रहे हैं, चलो यार
मेरी
मतलब,
पिक्चर हो रही है.
let's go. I mean, if Sunil Shetty sir and all of these people are shooting, I'm like, even if I can sit behind
Yeah.
and learn and watch,
Yeah.
I want to take that chance if I can go to Delhi. Agar I'm in
And also it's a content for reel, right?
bro, it's just a cool moment for me.
Yeah.
Like if I'm sitting here, Sunil Shetty sir performing there, it's a bro, it's a
You've only seen him TV.
yeah,
Yeah.
मतलब it's बहुत weird moment है bro. देर रात हेरा फेरी में देख के फिर
Correct.
तो तो वो देखने का that's where I actually signed the contract in the night in Delhi. I
Uh,
have all these memories because it's just कैसे हो गया, मैं तो कॉल से खुश था यार,
Yeah.
आ गया ऑडिशन,
hmm.
ये तो सोचा नहीं था. It's good.
So this is what I always tell, entertainment content creators who have this bucket list कि एक दिन तो end goal वो है कि acting करनी है for a web series or for a film. I say that, the fact of the matter that you are auditioning every day in front of public
Yeah.
हाँ,
Correct.
is a test that you're giving every day.
Hmm.
So subconsciously you are getting ready.
Correct.
Yeah.
So when the day comes when you have to actually audition for a role, it will go like a cakewalk because you have practiced it
It
every
will.
day.
that is
That's a very, very interesting perspective. Yeah.
Also, every day audience is giving you approval
And
by
feedback.
feedback.
And feedback
And
also.
instant है ना भाई. Comment section में instant feedback है.
That's the behavior that we all have, right? And I mean, to that point, like there's this very interesting thing about like Guru Randhawa, right? He's known for picking up some random person and featuring in the video, right? So Azul में वही हुआ. There was this girl. किसी ने नहीं, मतलब कुछ 1500-2000 following हो गए, and she was doing like a crazy dance performance. Randomly, Guru Randhawa lands on it, tags his choreographer on it and says कि यार भाई इसके साथ अगले वीडियो में इसको फीचर करते हैं, and he tags the girl and says that we'd love to work with you,
oh sick.
and then she's the one who's featured on the Azul, जो उसका Azul वाला है, and she's done like,
Commercialized हो गया.
and to the point what you were saying, like the way she has performed, if we look at it, it doesn't look like she's the one who's done her first music video. I remember this incident where you have shared that Kashmir mein, I think you cried for 3 hours trying to convince your parents. What was that story?
So this was in I think 2021 or 2020.
Oh, so just now, like a
Like 3-4 years ago, and we had gone to Leh Ladakh for my younger brother's birthday.
अच्छा.
And
So it was Ladakh.
yeah, we were at Pangong Lake, I think, where that 3D scene
Yeah.
was shot.
Yeah.
So we were there. Udhar we had like these small cottages we were staying, और उधर रात को we had to be awake till 4 a.m. क्योंकि you can see the stars really nicely. So रात को mom dad तो सो गए, 10-11 बजे की चलो उठेंगे. We were awake, and my mind, I just started overthinking because 6 days from when I landed, and we were leaving for Mumbai the next day.
Yeah.
6 days from when we landed back in Mumbai, I was leaving for my last year of college. 2 साल तो online हो गए थे. Third year, I didn't have an option, and that scared the shit out of me. I'm like, how am I gonna do anything? How am I gonna properly create content? How am I gonna properly live like a college student? I'm not gonna be able to do either properly.
Yeah.
Hmm.
I finished my education. I want to make it clear. I finished it, but I was just telling them it wasn't even about education. I was like, मैं डिग्री खत्म भी कर लूंगा, पर मेरे को ये करने दो. Like, don't let it be कि I'm 27, 28, doing whatever I might be doing, and I come back to you कि that night in Leh Ladakh, if you didn't give me the chance to follow my dream, I don't know what my life could have been. My life will always be a could have been this. Here I know now if my content journey fails, वो मेरा decision है, right? मैंने खुद के उस पे लिया है. If I fail, I'll fail knowing I tried everything.
Yeah.
So that was the night that, because I've just cried. I'm like, मम्मी मैं नहीं जा पाऊँ, मैं कैसे content, मैं कैसे ही करता. Yeah, so I cried. We ended up missing the star thing also. हम 5:30 बजे फिर गए. We saw the stars, and I actually have a picture. I'll send it to you. So I have that picture because I remember that night very, very fondly. It's a very important night for me.
I think your parents' generation are the first generations to trust you guys
Yeah, in a way.
and encourage you guys कि हाँ ठीक है ये कुछ है आड़ा टेढ़ा करियर ऑप्शन ट्राई कर लो.
हाँ, मतलब I still don't think my nanny especially fully understands what I do.
Yeah.
You know, because I go to shoot sometimes at Nani's house and I'm telling her, Nani, वहाँ करूँ, I'm doing all of these things. So, but sometimes she doesn't, she thinks I'm an actor. मेरा generation होगा, when we become parents, that will be the most trusting generation towards content creators maybe.
Yeah.
In our generation also, for me also, you know, it's not like My parents didn't support me. Like I said, they did, but that also happened after I showed them tangible numbers. Ki there is some amount of money coming in the house. This is a real job.
Correct.
These are the people that are in this industry for the last 5-6 years that I'm associated with, I'm connected with. I know them. I'm getting mentored by them. मैं बस ऐसे भटक नहीं रहा कहाँ पे. And the numbers,
Yeah.
no matter how much you want to deny it, at the most base level, your parents love you more than you love yourself, and they are doing it for you.
Correct.
You need to prove कि चल ये 20, 30, 40, 50,000 महीने का कमा सकता है. As a 21-year-old also, I'm saying,
Yeah.
as a starter salary, or anything.
Yeah.
They just want to see this guy's doing it seriously.
Yeah.
Right? That is what they want to see, and you'll only make money if you're doing it seriously
Correct.
for a long time at
Yeah.
least.
And you have mentioned that as a kid you were underconfident and shy.
Yeah, I was
And
very.
now with all the success that you have, do you feel those parts of you are healed? Or whenever you see some of your reels not performing well, or they start underperforming, does that sort of feeling come back?
I don't think so, because I feel like it wasn't a feeling. It was more of a phase and a mindset that I was in at that time in my life. I've been making content since I was 13, like in school. And at that time, it wasn't cool to be creating keyboard covers. यार मैं तो बनाता था, कुछ और नहीं बनाता. Like तू क्यों ही बता नहीं. But अभी अच्छी बात है, मैं डाल रहा था कि मैं तभी अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट था क्योंकि मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि मैं कर क्या रहा हूँ, मैं क्या ही कर रहा हूँ. But then I started to fake it. I started to fake like अच्छा मैं videos बना रहा हूँ, ये चलेगा ही मेरे लिए. Like this will work. It's so delusional. Like in my head in school, I used to fake not getting upset when other kids used to leave hate comments. क्या मेरे को तो फर्क ही नहीं पड़ रहा. अंदर से बहुत पड़ता था. First time I'm saying it. Not so.
Correct.
अंदर से बहुत पड़ता था. But it's that fake it till you make it type of mentality. जो switch एक बार हो गया ना, वो it'll actually happen. It's like
Yeah, and it's one of the traits of content creators also that you will have to grow a thick skin. For 5% appreciating you, there are 50 who will discourage you when you are starting. So, Agastya, it is safe to say that you are a full-time content creator.
Yeah.
Content creation is your job. You are an entrepreneur because you also have team members who you are paying salaries to today, right? But when you started in year one, right? You were the thinker, you were the recorder, you were the cinematographer, you were the editor, you were the uploader, and you were everything. You are 1% team, right? I want you to break down the transition and how the graph has gone upwards.
Year 1 I was in lockdown. वो तो घर से भी बाहर नहीं निकल सकते थे. वो मेरा 1 साल मैं एक मिरर के सामने बैठा हूँ. वो आप मेरे you can go see my initial videos. Not on one mirror, on one chair where I used to study actually for 11-12. I used to study on that same table. Just start making because sunlight बहुत अच्छी आती थी उधर से. So that used to be my setup for 6-8 months. Every day it's just filming. So we were speaking ki why in year 1, why did the reels thing work also so well? I feel like कि ये हो गया कि वो जो 2 महीने when reels came out, demand इतनी high थी, supply इतनी कम थी. तभी I supplied so much. Like every day I was posting 2 reels every day for 2.5 to 3 months. ऐसा कुछ तो phase था कि 12 PM and 6 PM my audience knows like clockwork, Agastya's reel is coming. So that was fixed. That kind of was how year 1 panned out. And year 1 is when I got my first deal also. I was like, wait, I can make money from this. This is insane. Because उसके पहले मैंने एक deal की थी.
Yeah.
But that was on TikTok for 100 rupees. That was my first brand deal ever.
This is a very interesting point.
For 100 rupees. For 100
Nice.
rupees.
Yeah.
And I remember I was negotiating with I didn't have a bank account at that time. I was 17 years old.
Yeah.
So वो पैसे मेरे dad के Paytm पे जाते थे.
Oh, wow.
That's how year 1 went. Year 2 I started realizing कि यार ये YouTube करके भी platform है. मेरे को तो YouTuber बनना था. So that's when I started making vlogs on YouTube. I realized this is the only natural step.
Yeah.
That I want to do long form, right? I want people to see more of me. I have more to give.
Yeah.
Tell me your YouTube process. Did you self-shoot, self-edit, self-upload?
Everything was self. Wow, this is taking me back to a very different part of life. Yeah, I used to make my own invoices. I remember invoice number change. So that was 2.5 years where I basically shot, directed, wrote, edited, uploaded everything. then I'm like YouTube नहीं हो रहा था.
हाँ
I was like ये YouTube के लिए मेरे को एक बंदा चाहिए. You know,
सेल्फ शूट कर
हाँ, my range of motion is stuck to
Yeah,
here only.
yeah.
I can't play around. Like, you know, it was getting boring. I was like, I need to do something new.
Yeah.
That's when I got my first team member on board. He used to help me shoot, and he's still there. He was almost like a content buddy. I like this word. I just thought of it. Content buddy. He is with me when I'm filming content. We ideate together. We edit together. Everything, you know. That was a game changer. I realized I can buy back time. वो है ना,
I think that is very, very important for any creator to realize,
very
because you know we meet a lot of creators, and one of the things that shocks us when we look at it, like from the outside, is he or she is such a big creator, but when you really go and understand, like there's like just two people,
yeah.
and the person is still not able to let go of the editing because मेरे को ऐसे ही चाहिए, while not realizing कि उस टाइम में मैं बहुत कुछ कर सकता हूँ.
हाँ, मतलब फॉर मी इट बिकेम अबाउट अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट कि
Correct.
मैं इधर बैठ रहा हूँ एक एडिट पे 3 घंटे, वो 3 घंटे अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट में यार 3 रील ना फिल्म कर लूँ,
Correct.
यू नो, वो 3 रील में से कोई एक फट जाए, मेरे को एक एक्स्ट्रा ब्रांड डील आ जाए, उससे मैं एट दैट पॉइंट में एक एम्प्लॉय या कुछ भी कर लूँ यार,
Yeah.
बस वो जुगाड़ू. आई फील लाइक वो इनेट थिंग ना, वो नेसेसरी होती है एज अ क्रिएटर. दैट्स व्हाट्स बाइंग बैक टाइम बिकेम समथिंग दैट आई ऑलमोस्ट काइंड ऑफ हैड टू डू, क्योंकि फिर रील्स कंसिस्टेंटली नहीं जा रही थी, यूट्यूब भी कंसिस्टेंटली नहीं जा रहा था. आई वाज लाइक इतना, और यू नो, नॉट ओनली वर्क वाइज बाइंग बैक टाइम,
Yeah.
दैट आल्सो आई फील लाइक आई लर्नड कि आई वांट टू बाय बैक टाइम फॉर माई सेल्फ,
करेक्ट
for my personal life. I want to not feel overworked all the time. I want to not feel burnt out all the time, because my 1 hour, if I'm sitting, and if you come up, or anybody who's in a creative profession, that 1 hour can mean 0 or it can mean 10 crores also.
Yeah.
You know, creatively it becomes kind of tough. It comes in phases.
Hmm.
वो phase में. So that's what happened. 2.5 years, I was like, इससे ज़्यादा नहीं हो रहा. Made the first hire, and now when 23 started, now we're at 2023. That year started, I remember telling my mom कि ये साल मेरे को टीम बिल्ड करनी ही पड़ेगी, क्योंकि ऐसे तो नहीं चलेगा काम. I got to a point where it was, you know, like a business. I always looked at it like a business, right?
entrepreneurship
Very, 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 very. You have to look at it like that.
yeah
So if you want it to be your job.
Hmm.
2023, I told mom कि the day I'll be successful as a creator, जो 2 week
हाँ.
मैं वेकेशन इंटरनेशनली कहाँ बैठा हूँ, मेरा कंटेंट जा रहा है, एडिट हो रहा है, सब कुछ. एट दैट पॉइंट you can say कि, or I would say कि as a creator I have a set team which is successful and I've built a system.
Correct.
Until then my goal is that.
हाँ.
2 week तो भाई सपना ही लगता है अभी. कि तुम 2 दिन में, if I don't show up and I shoot, ये मैसेज आने लगते हैं, डेडलाइंस टाइमलाइंस, ये नहीं गया. 2 week तो मैं सोचूं भी कैसे, मतलब, पर गोल तो आई फील लाइक वही होना चाहिए.
Yeah.
that's why it's very very important to have a team
I think that sort of shakes you, and also really, really pushes you to do the things that you would possibly have not done otherwise. And that's why also it's important for you to hire people
Yeah.
to hold yourself accountable, that I show up every day.
like at Beer Biceps 3 companies put together we have 100 people, right? Our total salary for every month is 56 lakh rupees. Our rent is 10 lakh rupees, like the rent and electricity and all of that. Running cost of my office, our office, is 70 lakh rupee. 4 months we got 0 rupee
Revenue also. ना.
revenue, 0, right? Imagine, but that cycle is on. Not just that. April आया, April में everybody is expecting their appraisals because they have worked entire year.
Correct.
You cannot not give appraisal.
No.
You know, it's unkind.
Yeah, obviously.
So you have to tell them that, listen guys, we are in a situation right now, but it's not your fault. You worked your entire year.
Yeah.
We could manage all of these like a cakewalk, because 2019 when Ranveer invited me formally to be co-founder on Beer Biceps. 2020 my first job, I said nothing doing, we'll create 3 years runway.
very.
That's what I told my CFO. My CFO said that 3 year will be a stretch,
Yeah.
let's create 18 months ka runway. I said okay, take or leave 18 months. We created 18 months runway. The reason we are surviving today and we are able to do our work and not let anybody go,
Yeah.
not lay off, whatever, is because we had that
Yeah.
runway. So I exhausted 4 month ka runway from my 18th month ka runway. now I've again come back to, regular and making money. I will refill that. And this time, not just 18, I will have it for 3 years. Because any rainy day can come tomorrow also, we don't know.
Yeah.
But we need to be ready. Right? It's a business.
I feel like if you're an editor, if you're a script writer, if any, like all these things you said that a creator initially started doing as themselves,
Yeah.
I feel like once you're established, you should only have people who are better than you in that team.
Correct.
I want a better editor than me. I want a
Exactly.
better script writer. I want a better director than me.
Yeah.
Because मेरा काम वो नहीं है. That's not my specialization.
Yeah.
Also, their specialization.
Also, kill your ego
yeah.
that you are best.
Correct.
You are not
But
the
that is the hardest part, because for a lot of creators, what I have come to realize is that also this is my own experience as well, right? Like when I used to sit on the edit table, I had all the resources. We were producing stuff for brands. My own piece of content, I am on the edit table. Because I'm like, यार ये कैसे जाने दूं मैं? मतलब ये तो एडिटर पता नहीं समझ आएगा नहीं आएगा, इसका इधर का उधर कर देगा. I'm like, no, too scared. I'm going to sit on this. And I think this is something that I've realized a lot of us sort of like, नहीं यार ये
That's
कैसे जाने
true.
दूं?
That
I think
happened to
it's,
me also.
yeah, too hard to let go of. Like whether that's किसी के लिए वो स्क्रिप्टिंग हो सकता है, किसी के लिए वो
कुछ भी हो
you know, it could be any of
Go
those.
to middle ground and now kaha na kaha, I feel like I found a balance to it. Now what I do is, if I'm a bit particular, I've realized about the cuts, how my videos cut, especially if it's a reel. So I'll do the cut and maybe I'll send it to my team. They can add the subtitling, background music, everything. If it's a brand video, any changes,
Yeah.
automate that loop.
Hmm.
And that loop is now, like I'm saying, this has been like a year and a half in the making. Since
Yeah.
23, I've been wanting to do this. Ki abhi I show up, it's not fully there, but the goal, like you said, now we're bringing it back to next 2 years.
Correct.
The next 2-year goal would
Yeah.
be genuinely year 6 and year 7. I show up for a shoot.
Yeah.
And I leave. And then only look at the final product.
And I have my directors, I have my right.
I have the team working with the same mission.
Yeah.
That's why I feel a team is important. Because that director is better at direction than me.
100%.
My editor is now better at editing than me.
100%.
Yeah.
And now we work together for so long
Yeah.
that the wavelengths wo बैठ गई है.
Yeah.
So that is my goal for the next 2 years, that I want to show up,
Like
edit.
when I sit with so I avoid sitting in any podcast that we record. But if in case I've sat in only couple of 950, 960 that we've
Yeah.
done. Ranveer and Akshat and the other, his producers and his editors and his cinematographers, they have code language.
Yeah, in a way.
They have, so Ranveer has a lot of football reference.
Yeah.
He'll have a lot of cricket reference. So he will tell one of the cinematographer कि तू आज लेफ्ट विंगर है. Now अभी वो मेरे को कैसे समझ में आ रहा है लेफ्ट विंगर. अभी जब उसने बोला कि वो लेफ्ट विंगर है तो वो बंदा उठ के उधर वो दूसरे कैमरे पे चला गया.
नहीं.
मैं बोला अच्छा इसका मतलब ये है कि लेफ्ट विंग उसको करना है, आज इसको राइट विंग करना है. एंड देन ही विल से टुडेस पॉडकास्ट इज ओनली अबाउट 4 and 6. नाउ व्हाट विल यू गेट बाय 4 and 6? तो इसका मतलब ये है, क्लू ये है, लाइक आई एम स्पिलिंग सम बीन्स हियर. 4 and 6 मतलब कि आज रैपिड होगा पॉडकास्ट. मतलब T20 फॉर्मेट में होगा. मतलब फटाफट होगा. लंबे कॉन्वर्सेशंस नहीं होंगे क्योंकि इसमें से रील्स निकालने.
4 and 6.
So yeah, so
I like 4.
yeah, so
Yeah,
this is
very cool. Yeah.
So I'm telling you, and this is 1 or 2.
Yeah.
ऐसे उसके पास 100 nomenclature है. But this is what happens when you are working with a team for 5 years, 6
Yeah.
years.
Exactly.
Because Ranveer's creative team, they are working for minimum 5 to 7 years together.
Yeah.
And it's the same team. And they're everybody's growing together.
Game changer.
You've been creating content for 5 years now. Crazy amount of time, right? 2 things. One, fatigue. Another, burnout. How real is burnout?
Burnout is something very real, and just being exhausted creatively, mentally is a very, very real thing. I feel people need to understand that as a creator, all of the ideas come from here.
Yeah.
Everything is born here, and this gets tired after a point.
Yeah.
And how I've started looking at it, like there was this phase, where I was stuck at 360k followers or something on Instagram for a year and a half. So I saw 0 to 350k in like maybe a year and a half, 2 years, and then a year and a half I was just there. I'm like, ye kya ho gaya? Exactly what your question was, right? That when it stops, am I irrelevant? All these thoughts keep coming. I was like, and at that time, Manish bhai, it was the more I posted, the more I lost followers.
Yeah.
It was at this horrible point.
Yeah.
I'm like, main kya karu? I'm better off not posting. But then I was like, नहीं, it's fine if I lose followers. I looked at it in this analogy कि कैसे तुम अपना garden अगर साफ कर रहे हो, उधर जो भी तुम्हें unfollow कर रहे हैं, they're like weeds
Yeah.
that you keep cleaning ना.
हाँ.
Otherwise your grass is green, it's lush, it's flowing.
correct.
So keep planting the seeds, keep posting videos. The weeds are being removed themselves only, all the unfollows, all the things. I had this analogy, like, and that kept me through that 1.5 year where I was just like, the only way I can lose is if I stop. I would always say ki, I can't imagine myself doing anything else. I'm very passionate about this. Obviously, there was burnout. There were days where I've sat in my room, I've cried also ki, bro, what do I do? Like, I'm making the same piece of content. I've even tried ki, joke same hai, angle same hai, सब कुछ same है. अभी नहीं चलेगा वो भी. जो 6 महीने पहले मतलब 4 मिलियन 5 मिलियन गया था, वो भी नहीं होगा. बट when you're in that phase, when you're in that burnout phase, what I do a lot is I'll take a weekender. I'll take a 3-4 day. I'll either go to my nanny's house. I will either go to Goa if I can. I'll go to Lonavala, or in Mumbai I'll do a staycation or something. And in my calendar year na, I try to plan it out like that कि November December ना जब मेरा ईयर चालू होता है, मैं उसके लिए मतलब वो रख के करता हूँ कि ये मेरा ब्रेक टाइम है. इफ एज अ क्रिएटर यू आर इन अ फेज ऑफ बर्नआउट, यू डोंट गेट आइडियाज, यू डोंट हैव मोटिवेशन, तुम्हारा दिमाग ही काम नहीं करता. सो एंटिसिपेट दैट rather than letting it come to you. Why don't you go to it, that okay, this is coming to me in the next 3 to 4 months. Right now I'm in this golden period, summer season, before winter comes, summer is going on right now. Let me prep for it. अब मेरा दिमाग चल रहा है, मेरे को हर रोज के 5-5 आइडियाज लिखने दो. नोट्स में बना के डालता रहा हूँ. एक दिन उठूंगा, पता नहीं आज क्या बनाऊं. वो 200 आइडियाज की लिस्ट एक बार तुम खोल के देखो, मोटिवेशन आ ही जाएगा तुम्हें.
Very nice way.
आ नहीं जाने वाला है. और
Something I remember is when I was helping Ankur Wariko on his content journey, when I told Ankur that, Ankur, remember this, you can take holiday, your content cannot. And then my thing was systems and process, right?
Yeah.
Like, for example, you always should have 2 months content bank with you, right? I can imagine this for YouTube. But tell me, do you guys plan ahead? Do you know what are you posting tomorrow, day after tomorrow?
I have a rough content bank कि एक वीक के बाद ये मेरा अगर ब्रांड वीडियो शेड्यूल्ड है. I'm not, brand is one thing. Organic wise, India Australia is happening Sunday.
Yeah.
Huge topic.
Yeah.
I remember earlier this year Ye Jawani Hai Diwani had come out, re-released.
Yeah.
Huge topic.
Yeah.
So these trends and topical things, I think
Got it.
there's a difference. So I try to usually match that whenever I know कि आगे क्या बनाना है. और evergreen ideas तो है ही. So like I said, वो notes में ना bifurcated है कि these are like the more personality driven videos, these are the more sibling driven videos, these are the more friendship, these are the relationship, different buckets basically. तो वो पता रहता है कि trend wise also ये cool है तो ये चलने वाला है, क्या लोग क्या मैं खुद क्या देख रहा हूँ.
मतलब planning है
हाँ. पर वो on the go होता है.
Yeah.
वो हर रोज का हर रोज
also
होता है.
Instagram को कैसा है, इसका प्रोडक्शन टर्नअराउंड टाइम बहुत है.
quick है.
बहुत quick है.
Yeah.
Right?
Quick.
Like, I mean, maximum 60 seconds.
Yeah, there was this when India versus Australia happened 23, when we lost that final game. I remember when the first innings got over, I made one reel and posted it within 15 minutes. That got 3.5 million views in 1 hour. Then when सेकेंड इनिंग्स चल रहा था और हम हार रहे थे, तभी मैंने एक और फट से 15-20 सेकंड की रील बनाई, उसको 2 मिलियन आया. फिर इंडिया हारी तो मैं रूम में गया और मैं बस एक गाना लगा दिया, जग सुना लगे, मैं नीज पे गिर गया क्योंकि आई वाज जेन्युइनली वेरी सैड. दैट गॉट 3 मिलियन व्यूज. So in a day I've just pulled 10 million views because I love cricket, man. Like, I am involved in cricket and it's something I'm passionate about also. So it's also what are you passionate about? Are you making around that?
Yeah.
वो passion, I feel like as a creator I will keep giving you those new ideas कि मुझे आज क्या पसंद है. Like, being curious as a creator is very important.
And also delivering entertainment.
What this is also telling me is about the time.
Turn around.
How important is that, the timing of it.
Yeah.
Because these are so topical. This is happening now. And also what I'm doing is, yaar, ye haar raha hai. My team is losing. I want to see what other people are saying.
The reason why I said about fatigue or about burnout is because you know that हाँ, इस सिचुएशन पे मैं कंटेंट बनाऊंगा तो ये 5 मिलियन आ जाएगा. लेकिन यार वो हिम्मत नहीं है, उस दिन थका हुआ महसूस कर रहा है, उस दिन तो वो जोन में नहीं है, मूड में नहीं है.
करेक्ट.
राइट. और फिर भी वो बनाना पड़ता है. दैट्स वर्क एथिक.
वो करना
पड़ता है.
वो ये जॉब है, मतलब ये
Yeah.
आफ्टर अ पॉइंट ना ये हॉबी नहीं रहती.
Correct.
Like you said, right now I have team members also. I'm
Yeah.
paying salaries every month.
Yeah.
People are dependent on me to get up, sit here also and show up.
Correct.
Like it's every day. It's showing up is it all counts. It all adds up धीरे धीरे करके, because यार every day नहीं मन होता है यार शूट करने का, नहीं मन होता है. तो पर you know a solution to this I have found is I have seasons and I have phases. कि मैं अगर 4 दिन मेरे को पता रहता, it's like I plan it कि मैं 4 दिन मैं अच्छे मूड में रहूंगा कि मैं 4 दिन चलो मेरे को शूट करना है तो मेरे को शूट करना है.
हाँ.
फिर 2 दिन मेरे को पता है माई टीम मेंबर्स ट्रैवलिंग, आई एम ट्रैवलिंग, इट्स एन ऑफ डे, ये है आधा डेंटिस्ट के पास जाना है, तो वो शूट डे नहीं है. तो मेरे को पता है थोड़ा सा कहाँ ना कहाँ ऑफ डे है,
हाँ.
तो कहाँ मैं रेस्ट कर सकता हूँ, वो फटीग मैनेज हो जाता है. या संडे टू संडे मैं एक फिक्स चीज करता हूँ, आई गेट अ नाइस मसाज फॉर माई सेल्फ. तो वो है ना मेरे लिए छोटे छोटे रिवॉर्ड्स आई हैव सेट फॉर माई सेल्फ.
So you say that 99% of what you share on camera is the real you.
Yeah.
Exactly how you are behind the scenes is exactly
pretty
how
much.
you are on camera.
Yeah.
Tell
That is
us
true.
about that 1%.
Although, I mean, that's the point, right? To not say it here, the 1%. But I feel like that part is reserved off to me for just me. It's maybe when I'm just playing the keyboard, you know, that's a hobby I have. Or maybe when I've gone on a late night drive, or when I'm having a really hot shower. It's just very, very different things where that part of me is reserved. I wouldn't say only for me, but my family or like the close ones around me. There is, because I feel like how much we share on the internet also is like currency, right?
Yeah.
And little bit of that currency, my energy I want to keep for just me in a little selfish way. But yeah, 99% is out. So I feel like 1% to private racks. So yeah.
For me, it's a very proud moment because I had seen an 18-year-old Agastya
Yeah, that's
5 years ago.
5 years ago when we first met.
Yeah, and there were a bunch of Agastya and his friends, and I was supposed to coach them, mentor them
Yeah.
on the journey, and tell them that, hey, don't let these followers get to your heads and all. And today, sitting talking to him,
Yeah.
it's like I'm feeling like a parent right now.
It feels good.
So Agastya, my question is, you got success much early on. I think 17, 18, 19 is when you saw like a lot of success. And for somebody who achieved success at that age, right, there's always a pressure to sustain that. How do you see that?
No, I feel like that's very true. I'm not complaining at all, but I was very blessed, I would say, to see success early on in my life. And I feel like that has really shaped, because it happened now, right now. I've just almost finished like 5 years creating content, like 18 to 23.
Correct.
It's very difficult to keep up with all of this because when you're young, your brain is very moldable, right? It is very shapeable. You're in that space right now, jahan tum seekh rahe ho, and in that space, it's like you're getting picked up and thrown into another world and like swim. You know, it was kind of like that. And I like it. I didn't really mind it. I feel like I started doing it at a younger age. I ulta have an advantage now. Because I have seen the trials and tribulations in a way कि कभी नहीं चलने वाला, कभी चलने वाला है बहुत अच्छे से.
Which brings me to the fact that you started your journey with TikTok.
Yeah.
When that got banned, then you sort of shifted to Instagram.
Yeah.
And then you really killed the game there on Instagram, right? So what that sort of taught you about, depending on a platform, and like when that is taken away,
No,
overnight.
My mom and had actually brought it up कि when TikTok got banned जब इंडिया में ही बैन हुआ था,
Correct.
तभी उन्हीं told me कि ऐसे Instagram उड़ गया तेरा एक दिन. तो
Correct.
जब यूएस के भी रूमर्स जब चल रहे थे ना, I think more recently that
Correct, correct.
so ऐसे उड़ गया था. I was like, उड़ेगा तो कोई देखो, उड़ गया तो उड़ गया, मैं और क्या बोल सकता हूँ, किसी के हाथ में नहीं है. बट आई नो वन थिंग, सोशल मीडिया कैन बी रिप्लेस्ड टुडे, a platform can be replaced today. Like static photos were the biggest thing before Reels came.
Correct.
Now Reels is the biggest thing.
Yeah.
Maybe another platform launches something that can even be bigger. Maybe a new platform comes up. Maybe there's a platform where only AI clips go, and now there's a platform where only Reel go, and there's an AI that checks for it. Who knows in 15 years क्या हो सकता है.
Yeah.
तो सोशल मीडिया तो कहाँ नहीं जाएगा. आई फील लाइक इफ यू नो द रूल्स ऑफ सोशल मीडिया, that is what you need to study when you want to be a creator, because the rules don't change across YouTube.
Yeah.
Like retention is the same across everything. Your hook needs to be strong. All of the basic things, the fundamentals, once you keep it simple, You know, across, just keep it simple, because if you've done it once on a platform, I feel like you can do it again.
So it's a work ethic that is coming.
Yeah.
There is a discipline that is coming. There is a innate confidence that is coming. There is an understanding that, okay, how will it work?
Yeah.
Like, I'm very happy to see a lot of content creators trying to be an entrepreneur, trying
Yeah.
to launch a product, trying to partner with people who understand product.
Yeah.
So it is not just about your just reels or YouTube, right? There can be circumstances where we at Beer Biceps saw it recently, when a higher authority tells you that, hey, 2 months you cannot put content.
Like, sorry, I want to ask you, because we've never, of course, we've seen Ranveer talk about it, but you are the one who's like also holding fort from the behind,
Yeah.
and we have never seen you sort of really talk about it. So what was that for you, being the man who's at the back of it, leading all of this?
So how it happens is, when you become a content factory, right? You don't stop your production. Right? So how we utilize that 2 months, we said, hey, okay, we are not allowed to post videos right now. Let us take it as a free time for all the bank that we have to edit it properly, to make more, nicer edits, to think of what new content format. Well, uploading was off.
Yeah.
However, recording was not off. So Ranveer was doing his own record. He was doing his scheduled podcast. He was doing all the guests. No guest said no to come on the podcast. So he was recording. So we utilized that time very nicely. However, that can only happen if you have a system and process
Exactly.
set, and
Yeah.
you have different people holding different jobs. Like here, Ranveer didn't have to do all the thinking himself. Some of the thinking was shared with me, some
Yeah.
was shared with our CEO, Nachiket, and creative team, edit team. So team and the team leads took their responsibility, and they made their own goals.
Yeah.
That these 60 days where we are not allowed to post content, how are we going to utilize it? So when we get permission to post it, we are all guns blazing. And that's exactly what we did, and that's exactly how it followed. I mean, it was a little worrisome to see that I saw when you don't post content,
Yeah.
how platforms also punish you.
Forget you.
Forget se zyada punish you is because, see, it's simple, right? You put in videos and the platform recognizes you.
Correct.
Yeah.
All of a sudden you don't put videos, platform will forget
Mhm.
you and
Correct.
will prioritize others who are putting the same kind of content.
Correct.
It's a demand and supply game. So again, when you start, right, no matter how big a content creator you are, it will take some time for you to catch up.
Yeah.
Mm.
Sure.
And it took us 3 months to catch up. Now we are out there,
Right.
Correct.
back to the kind of numbers
Yeah.
that we were doing and all of
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
But yes, so this also is a lesson that, hey, no matter what, don't stop posting.
Don't stop.
So yeah, but also
Yeah.
I think that also to me is a very humbling experience for any creator to know that, bro, if I stop publishing or putting out, no matter how big I am,
Yeah.
people are gonna forget. They will tune into someone else's channels. Or, they're not gonna wait for you. Of course, like all the love and whatever, but like I'm not waiting for you. Like I'm gonna even
Yeah.
forget you, right? So
Unless you are providing something very crazy, which is your moat,
Yeah. It
you know,
depends.
which is your moat. And like, for example, I'll give you an example of a content creator who will never fade away. Bhuvan
ha.
will not fade away. Like, he may not put videos for 8-9 months, but in case he puts a video, it's gonna clock 20 million views. because his connection with his fans are different,
Yeah.
and then also he's not being seen on his YouTube, but he's being seen on TV, he's
Yeah.
being seen on OTT, he's being seen on films,
Seen.
still
being
being
seen.
seen. So being seen is extremely important. As long as you are being seen somewhere and your name is
Mediums can change.
mediums can change.
If you looked at television or movie stars back in the days, the only means or way for them to being seen was coming in another movie. But that's a very interesting way to look at it. If the creator is not being seen on his or her YouTube, like you don't see Prajakta as much on her YouTube, now.
But a lot of
But you see
lot
a
of
lot of her on Netflix or doing this or that. You know,
oh yeah,
as if like
she's a UN change maker,
UN change
right?
maker.
She
yeah.
goes for those, and she writes a book also.
Yeah.
Every
But you're still
couple of
being
years, there's a book coming out.
seen, right? You're still being seen. So
Like it's a thoda opposite. For
Hmm.
example, what I have seen. For example, I'll tell you. Let's take example of Ranbir Kapoor as an actor.
mm,
Ranbir Kapoor is not on social media himself.
mm,
He's not dancing and putting videos, or he's not, putting
Yeah.
cute videos with his daughter.
Yeah.
All of that. Ranbir Kapoor has always managed to create a mystery around him,
mm,
and that mystery is what lets people go in theater
mm.
and watch his film.
That aura that you
Yeah,
built,
like
right?
for example, Ranveer Singh is out of everywhere. Like he's last where you would have seen Ranveer Singh would have been Ambani wedding.
Ha.
After that, you have not seen him
Hmm.
because he's doing some project and his brand is come out right now,
Correct,
right,
super.
and all of that. So he's creating a mystery. He's not in public. That means he's coming up with a maybe nice project, big
Yeah.
project, right? So for mainstream actors,
Yeah.
not being seen works.
Ah.
But for
Creators,
content
it does
creators,
work.
showing up every day is your job.
Yeah.
You
That's
are
a good perspective.
different.
Yeah. That's a very good perspective. Yeah.
Yeah.
That is very, very important. So, Agastya, like your audience who started following you 5 years back, and now for the first almost like for 5 years, right? There is a certain sense of fatigue that being, when they look at the same creator for so long and like, ho gaya mera, abhi I want some level of freshness, right? So how do you have like a process, or have you thought about it like, oh, I think अब मेरा ये refresh करने का time आ गया है, where my audience, might be having a bit of a fatigue.
So initially I didn't think like that too much. Now I am starting to think like that in the last year and a half. Because initially it was just me living my life, मैं 18 साल का था, like
Correct.
क्या ही कितना ही पता था मेरे को point पे. So it just became my new normal. I would just share what I like to share on the internet. Like if I love Lego, so I post whenever I get a new Lego set, I'll post me building it, and that turned into me working with Lego when they launched in India also.
Yeah.
I've started doing a lot of relationship things in the last year and a half, because now I know I'm 23, 21 and a half, 21 pe people tend to get into relationships, right? When you get into college. So what's my TG doing right now?
Mm.
I try to live like my TG.
And
Like-
on that, do you think you are your TC?
Yes. Me, yes, but I try to look at my younger brother and his friends as my TG.
Okay.
Me and my friends are to there only. But I can tell you what my gen likes. But even 3 years down, I want to know like what does my younger brother's gen like? Specifically, what do they like? So he's the best feedback person I have that I get.
That's a very
Is he-
interesting
is he
perspective.
very blunt in giving you
He's
feedback?
the most blunt person. कोई
Dude.
उसको content creator नहीं बनना, वो बहुत blunt है मेरे साथ. वो बोल देगा if this is not good, this is not good.
मतलब my age group will not watch it, or
हाँ, no, he won't say they won't watch it because I'm making content for his age group. ये joke अच्छा नहीं है.
अच्छा
या ये pop
Punchline
culture
नहीं.
reference तूने जो try किया ये connect नहीं हो रहा.
हाँ, बैठा नहीं.
बैठा नहीं. वो मजा नहीं आया. वो joke में मजा नहीं आया.
Yeah.
So all of that.
Like a lot of your content revolves around, like you said, me living my life, which in extension is saying that it's relatable content, it's authentic content, right? When you are trying to showcase your authentic life, at any point do you feel कि यार मेरे को अब authenticity perform करना है? For example, let's say Bhuvan Bam now still trying to make a video with clothes hanging on his back of the door. कि अब मैं वो नहीं हूँ, like I have like gone to whole another level now, but मेरा audience को ये authentic ये लगता था कि भाई अभी मेरे जैसा भाई है, इसके भी दरवाजे पे कपड़ा लटके हुए है, so do you ever feel that pressure to perform authenticity?
Not really, because even with the great example about what Bhuvan Bam, I feel like as a person, why he's loved as much as he was before as today also is because people love him as a person.
Mm.
People love who Bhuvan is,
Yeah,
who
yeah.
Bhuvan Bam as a person is.
Yeah.
People loved वो पहले कपड़े भी अगर नो मैटर वो कहाँ पे भी वीडियो बनाता वो भुवन बाम में वो चीज थी. सो पीपल आज वो पैलेस में भी वीडियो बनाए
Yeah.
या वेरी वुड मेक ऑल्सो वीडियोस बनाए. आज वो पॉर्श में घूमे कहाँ.
Correct.
He's Bhuvan Bam. Even for me being a creator, I would like, for me, he's Bhuvan Bam. He's one of the first creators I ever saw.
Yeah.
And that's never gonna change.
Mm.
Bhuvan's audience
Yeah.
really takes pride
Ah.
that they are Bhuvan's audience. And when Bhuvan grows and Bhuvan achieves something or succeeds something, they all celebrate like it's their win.
Hmm.
This love, very few content.
I think Zakir Khan is pretty much there. Zakir is also like
Yeah.
pretty much there. Yeah.
Because Zakir has been like aam aadmi ka bada bhai representative.
Correct.
And he kind of says na ki
Personally भी नहीं लगता है.
recently when he performed at that Madison Square and all of that, he kept saying, and these videos surfaced from his interviews and all ki, आओ कर लो हो जाएगा.
हाँ.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
It's like he's just saying, bhai, I was a nobody. If
Correct.
I could make it, you can make it.
So it's similar from that perspective, because even my audience has seen me grow up. Like, even though they really started watching me when I was 18, I have shared my journey. Authenticity stays with your journey. I
Yeah.
feel like very important to share. They know कि मैं 13 साल से from when I was 13 I've been making content, और यही मेरा इकलौता सपना था. From when I saw Bunny traveling in YJHD, that time I told my mom at 13 that I don't know what or how I'll get there,
Yeah.
but I told her two things. I want to travel and I want to make videos. Specifically these two things. When Eli's song was playing, मैंने ये दो चीजें बोली थी.
Yeah.
So since 13 I've shared this journey with them, and I've very publicly, I tell people also, I have a cloud tattoo also, which is like chase your dreams.
Yeah.
I feel like that is the most authentic version of myself. I would tell my friends on camera to chase their dreams, off camera to chase their dreams.
Correct.
Yeah.
Like I really don't, it's the zone I live in.
Yeah.
I don't need to flip a switch.
हाँ.
For the camera maybe. I can flip a switch in reality also.
Yeah.
That is just something I've learned now. On camera, authenticity can't be fake.
Yeah.
That's what. So it's the whole journey. Even when I've said when my followers stopped,
Yeah.
तभी मैंने एक बहुत public post डाला था.
हाँ.
क्या हो रहा है मेरे साथ?
नहीं, मैंने बोल दी कि आज, and I remember tying back to that, the first time my followers rose
Yeah.
after 1.5 years was on the day of my 21st birthday or something.
Wow.
The first time I have a picture, वो दिन का भी photo मैंने वो carousel में डाला.
हाँ.
So I've been very open with sharing my downs also.
Yeah.
Because I feel like यार अच्छी बातें तो सब लोग शेयर करने ही वाले हैं.
Yeah.
But it's cool to also share the downs sometimes.
Correct. Correct.
Because then you won't appreciate the light without the dark.
Yeah, yeah.
मजा ही क्या है उसके अंदर.
And also like, some of the best performing videos or reels of yours are one, you purchasing the car and then taking your like parents, family there. You being featured on a billboard and, eye में mask लगा के you take your, again, family there. The other one is like with the Alia, where you were doing the reels with them. So by nature, these are the moments of you winning in some shape or form, right?
Yeah.
By nature, the reason these reels are performing as per you, is it because like by nature, like these are the kind of milestones that people generally engage and celebrate with, or is there a process that you follow to on top of like them being something, ये काम करेगा ये story, but also there is a process. Is there any process that you follow to this?
I know when I've done something or life has given me something rather, where I'm like, okay, I want to share this. This is a very cool thing that's happening and it's a dream. It's one word. अगर ये मेरा सपना है, dream है मेरा, then it can be a cool video like that. And I think till now I've only made 2 videos where I would say are like the favorite videos. One is where I got the car, and my favorite video of all time is when I surprised my family with the billboard. So I do have a separate process to that.
Correct.
That video, no matter मैं कितने भी followers पे हूँ, क्या भी कर रहा हूँ, मैं वो खुद edit करूँगा.
Yeah.
Okay.
वो मैं किसी को दूंगा नहीं. वो कुछ भी मैं किसी को दूंगा. No, मेरे phone पे edit होगा. I'll go through every file for that.
Yeah.
वो मेरा, like, that is my passion. That's my little passion project there.
Yeah.
So I'm very particular. I love to use Bollywood music songs that I connect to. कभी कभी तो मैं ड्राइव पर चले जाऊंगा, 20-30 सॉन्ग शफल में लगा दूंगा, एक एल्बम के एक हर एक एल्बम का वाइब to choose. I need to feel the song before. I need to shut my eyes. I need to see because I know what shots I have, or if it's not filmed की चल मैं आलिया के साथ इधर अंदर जाऊंगा, उसका ये बस होगा, उधर मैं बैठा हूँगा, फिर मस्त बिल्डअप लूंगा कि एक शॉट लूंगा कि are you ready, and then when the beat drops finally, and I think I used Love You Zindagi, which fits the vibe. This is such a cute, wholesome moment where I want to tell life ki Love You Zindagi, and it's Alia Bhatt's one of her biggest movies, biggest songs.
Yeah.
So it's a whole, I like to, in a way, मेरे को किक आती है खुद को डायरेक्टर बोल के वो एक रील के लिए, बट वो मेरे दिमाग में तो मैं ऐसी स्पेशल रील्स मेरे दिमाग में I direct them.
Correct.
What are some of the things that you sort of track as a creator on a consistent basis?
I think you're only as good as your last video. Like, very how I look at it.
Yeah.
अगर मेरा लास्ट वीडियो 5 मिलियन गया है तो मैं नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग उठ के बहुत खुश होऊंगा. अगर 50K गया है, नहीं खुश नहीं होऊंगा, बट मेरे को पता है नेक्स्ट डे मेरे को उठ के नेक्स्ट पीस बनाना है. मेरे लिए it's as simple as that. I know if a piece of content works, I can learn from it. I'm not saying make a hit and forget about it. I'm saying learn from it. But you can make a miss and forget about it.
Yeah.
Don't stay on the miss, but don't stay on the hit also. But learn from the hit and learn from the miss.
Yeah.
Like I would see कि ये video क्यों चला है.
Hmm.
What are its views to likes to shares to comments ratio.
Correct.
Like I would break down कि इसके इसका CTR कैसा है, how many इसका retention कैसा है, ग्राफ पढ़ लूंगा. YouTube पे तो I really go into analytics because there you just get so much more data.
Yeah.
So I really study and I feel like shares.
Yeah.
Shares is a great metric right now to check कि कौन से direction पे हो. Is the मैं जो direction में content बना रहा हूँ वो सही हो रहा है या नहीं हो रहा है, because right now shares have become a huge metric.
And also, last night when we were having this conversation about the content, you were telling me that if there is some important, either a brand reel to go out or any important reel that needs to go out, then I, sort of cushion it with bunch of other different pieces of content so that is boosted.
So
can you break that strategy for us?
So for example, if I know, I have so I try to do this as much as I can. Like ये ना almost strategy नहीं है, बस हो जाता है थोड़े in a way कि if your previous reel has worked very well, ठीक है, if it's gotten, let's say you average 1 million views, this is average 2.5 million views. The reel you post after the 2.5 million is going to get a little bit more initial feedback.
750K.
हाँ, थोड़ा सा और मिल जाएगा. वो maybe it'll cross a million, वो million and 1 तक पहुंच जाएगा, 1.1 तक पहुंच जाएगा, बिकॉज वो तुम्हारी प्रीवियस चली है, वो थोड़ा और अगर 10 मिलियन चल गई, उसके बाद तुम सोचो तुम ब्रांड वीडियो डालोगे, तो ब्रांड वीडियो भी चलने ही वाला है. उसकी हाउ मच बेटर इज इट गोना वर्क. एंटिसिपेशन कि इफ आई नो आई हैव अ वेरी वेरी बिग ब्रांड वीडियो कमिंग अप की, और इफ आई एम वेरी वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट इन अ ब्रांड आइडिया कि चल ये मैं भी कॉन्फिडेंट हूँ, क्रिएटिव फ्रीडम भी मिला है, फट सकता है अगर इफ प्लेड राइट, तो देन वी ट्राई क्योंकि लाइव इट्स अ
no, what exactly is the strategy? You put like a reel that will perform and then the reel that you want to
decide that because there's so much moving parts. Live date switch होते हैं, आज ये हो गया, पोस्टिंग टाइम चला गया, या आज अप्रूवल नहीं आया, फिर वो moving parts. You just try to do it if you can.
Okay.
You just try. That's all you can do.
एक बार है ना, I had asked Ranveer this a year and a half ago कि I have seen a pattern that before you post a branded reel, you post 3-4 very romantic content and he was like, and he gave me that smile, that smile that Ranveer has, and he's like, bro, that's a strategy, I'm like, okay, this is a learning for me also, as a strategist, to maybe tell content creators कि guys, branded reel से पहले 2-4 ऐसे reel डालो जो फटे.
One more thing, and we're coming towards the end of it, that I want to really talk about is you have been at the forefront of at least for the Gen Z creators, right? And I remember pretty much any list that has ever been created in India, whether in news or somebody's reels or somebody has written about it or created a YouTube video.
Or even for
associations and brand associations and stuff like that. If anybody said that, hey, you know what, we need Gen Z creators or top Gen Z creators or whatever, wherever the word Gen Z is, Agastya Shah is pretty much there. What are few things that from your lens, where do you stand, that you got right?
Like perception wise, what went right for me was I just started making content for around what was happening, like around exactly what was happening. That topicality in a way. That topical content wasn't even a thing back then, वो मैं COVID और online classes के around when I started making content, at that time the word topical content at that time was not a word at that time.
There was nothing.
We didn't have these buckets and all these things. So at that time I just started making topical content. This is my opinion why this happened. Topical content helped me be on pretty much everybody's Instagram stories. Because I've had people in 2020, 21, even 22 come to me and tell me that anybody's stories who are opened in lockdown, it would just be like they've reposted one of your online class reels or something. So that, like I said, that demand supply, I just supplied so much at that time. That helped one thing. Second thing, I feel like yeah, perception also comes through a person, like we were saying. I'm the same person online, I'm the same person offline, and maybe in connection to my audience, why I have a slightly separate perception, why with brands I have a slightly separate perception, is because I try to, if I'm working with the brand, I will try to go the extra mile with
Yeah.
them. I will try to give them that extra value. I'll try to give them the extra feedback. I want to send in the video as soon as I can.
You're known to make like agencies happy.
I don't even do it for that. I do it ताकि मेरा भी तो काम खत्म हो रहा है जल्दी.
Hmm.
You know, वो पर्सपेक्टिव है यार. It's
Yeah.
all it's not like उनको अपना काम जल्दी चाहिए. तुम्हारा भी तो काम खत्म हो रहा है जल्दी.
Correct.
You can also work on 10 other things that even you have to work. कि अगर मैंने आज रात वीडियो शूट किया है, sometimes you have these overnight events. Like you have to give the video की next day
कल
में live जाना.
हाँ
तो मैं, like, I have a thing that if that happens, whenever that's happened to me till now, I'm not saying it's a good thing because my health has gone for a toss the next day. Ki I won't sleep till I finish the edit.
yeah
I want my video to go in first.
yeah
I want to get my feedback. I want to
because
finish-
there are 10 more people putting same kind of video.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So why wouldn't I want mine to
It
go
would
first?
mostly be with, let's say, premiere you guys have attended,
It's-
or a
It-
launch of a
it's an
brand.
event-based thing
Yeah,
or something like that.
Yeah.
But also the perception is built because of how many people I've met.
Yeah.
I feel like just because I've been here for 5 years,
Yeah.
I've made so many friends. You know, I realized this Diwali party. Now the bond I have with people is very different.
Yeah.
The perception that people have of me is very different because it feels so weird in a way. I feel like I've been there, done that now. But वो 5 साल जैसी हुआ ना, I understood why the perception switch has happened.
Yeah. For every successful content creator, when I say successful, by number of views and everything, also by the number of brand deals they are getting, the amount of business they are doing. For every one successful content creator, there are 100 failed creators.
Hmm.
There are 100 failed content creators, and there could be many reasons why they failed. The most common reason is lack of motivation and not having patience. Most people think that in 3 months they will come, they will make video, put it out, and brand आ जाएगा, star बन जाएंगे, billboards आ जाएगा. नहीं होता.
नहीं, ऐसे नहीं होता.
ऐसा
But that's
नहीं.
what ये perception got built into it very well about the Gen Z, like you were
Yeah.
saying. But I feel like I, or the group that whoever we started with,
Hmm.
like the word Gen Z was kind of associated with me. Right from when I was 18. Even being Gen Z wasn't cool on the internet.
Yeah.
I was the Gen Z guy on the internet. Gen Z है.
Like है क्या ये समझ नहीं आ रहा है like कर क्या रहे हैं, you know, like
Now,
yeah
so I've kind of seen the entire thing कि Gen Z है क्या?
yeah
To we hate Gen Zs to now we have to target Gen Zs. So I've kind of seen the entire thing. I've been associated with
and also because now
signifiers.
now they are also holding the purchase
Purchase
power, right? Like 5 years back, maybe not. Like look at yourself.
Myself.
When you were 17, 18, you wouldn't like spend lakhs in buying a car.
Deal कर रहा था.
100 रुपए के brand deal कर रहा था. Like you were not thinking of buying car. Okay, so once you've made all the money that you wanted to make as a content creator, what would your life look like as a creator?
I have a number in my head and I feel like वो number hit करना is not my goal, but
What's your goal?
my goal is just to it's not defined like that. For me, I just want to keep doing it. I just want to keep getting better at it.
Yeah.
For me, I have more fun in making the next video. Like I want to, like even 3 years down the line, my videos, it's not about, sure, I might sound nice saying it and all the day my videos don't work that much. People will clip this, but it's fine. It's like if my videos don't also work, I like making videos. That's why I was doing it when I was 13, 14 also. But once I've made all the money, I will still be making videos. Maybe I will, pata nahi, itna money if you've made after a point, 100, 200 crores, then you'll relax in life a little bit. You'll work at your own time. I will still be making content. I'll work on my own terms. I'll maybe make content more on my own terms. Might be a film or direct. I don't know.
Have you thought beyond content, like business,
Yeah.
product, or
That is something I feel like I'll rather be doing. Most likely be doing.
Yeah.
Because I look at content like a distribution channel, like so many people do today. Once that distribution channel is built, I know I want to solve a problem.
Yeah.
You know, a lot of people say कि यार ये creator product क्यों नहीं बना रहे, product क्यों नहीं बना.
Yeah.
I feel मेरे को problem ऐसा मिलना चाहिए first जो मेरे को करना है ये solve. Only after that. So maybe I pick up a random problem or maybe I go into a completely different field then.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Hmm.
Because I think because of West creators also, this entire new possibility has started with whatever Prime and Feastables and whatever Joyride, Ryan Ryan's or Emma Chamberlain Coffee.
Yeah.
So many examples, and then every niche.
Yeah.
You know, every niche is there. So, wo kabhi na kabhi to business is I am super passionate about it.
What I
Which
can
is-
foresee is a lot of hardcore founders
Yeah.
will approach content creators like Agastya and say that let's be co-founders.
Co-founders.
Yeah.
You be the
Distribution in India.
distribution agent or you be the brand ambassador
Yep.
as
Yep.
so, and we will build the business.
Correct.
So I feel like that half Gujju, half Maru combo has really, that business mindset, that
Yeah.
dhando mindset has
Right.
come into this
Beautiful.
with me.
Super. On that note, we have a ritual here
Hmm.
at Digitech Presents, the creator room. So we're gonna hand you a sheet there. So what you're gonna do is so my question to you is, let's say X numbers of years after you have accomplished whatever you wanted to accomplish as a content creator, and then now you are creating the last video of your life for whatever reason. What is that message that you are going to pass on to the people who are watching that video?
Okay, let me think. I would say my message in my last ever video.
Yeah.
My message in my last ever video would probably be thank you for empowering that 13-year-old kid to believe that he can do it. I would genuinely say what I always say at the end of my YouTube videos, that if you're part of the Ag Fam, which is my community, you're a dream chaser. You can chase your dream because we're a community of people who push each other to become better people every single day. And we're a community of dream chasers. And if I can do it, it's proof any human being on this earth can do it. Just chase your dreams. It can happen. And that's the same message I want to give in my last video also.
Super. Beautiful.
So,
Please go ahead.
damn, that was deep. Okay. Let's write. My handwriting's very bad.
That's
Okay.
okay.
And you are a lefty.
Yes, I'm a left.
The lefty guys are more creative, you know.
Keep chasing your dreams.
Agastya, thank you so much for joining us today at Digitech Presents, the creator room. We got to learn a lot from your journey and how you are reinventing yourself, how you are chasing your dreams, and how you are making impact in people around you, and also sharing smile
Yeah.
with your content. So keep at it, and we wish you all the best. And thank you so much for taking time.
Thank you so much for having me, guys.
I just want to say that, I'm super proud
Thank you, Manish bhai.
and that 4 or 5 years ago when I had met you and when I told Ayush that watch out for this guy will do something.
That's
And you are proving that. So my reading was right. So
This is also a very cool moment. And I was going to tell you, I think I've read your first book also, and now to come on the podcast where you're writing a book from it,
yeah.
that's also very cool. I was thinking about it in the washroom.
Absolutely. And
So,
before we let you go, Digitech has some goodies, and also from our end, we have
Thank you.
created something